Hey students, I know that digital learning is going to be a big change for everybody, but I want to just set up a little bit of tutorial on how to make it a little bit more efficient for you. So for example here, first thing we're going to talk about is setting up Bookmarks Bar, and this Bookmarks Bar right here. So we're going to start out. What I can do is I can make a Bookmarks Bar, and I put a folder on here that's got all my classes in it, and then in my class I can have a few tips today to help you out with the digital learning and setting up your Bookmarks Bar. Is tip number 1. Being organized, being efficient at getting to places. So this bar right here in Google Chrome is your Bookmarks Bar, and just want to do a quick touch base on how to actually use it efficiently. So I have a bunch of bookmarks here on my Bookmarks Bar, but they're all kind of jumbled up and taken up. But this here is a folder. So inside my folder, like a Schoology folder over here, I have my class, and then I have all of my information in that class. So if I have a flip grid for that class, if I have my weekly agenda for that class, if I have my Schoology class, that's all right there. So I'm going to take you through setting that up. Right click on your Bookmarks Bar, and you're going to hit Add Folder. And you can name it at this point, and I did one for classes, so I'm going to call this one Courses. And I'm going to hit Save. And it didn't come up, didn't show up. There might be a little arrow over here, and I can go to Courses, and I can grab that and I can drag it over. In my Courses folder, I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit Add Folder. And my first one's going to be Design and Modeling. And hit Save. And now, if I look underneath Courses, there's Design and Modeling. You'd put your whatever class you're in. I'm going to right click and hit Add Folder and call this one Math. Save. Now I have Math and Design and Modeling. Right click, Add Folder, call it English. Save. Right click, Add Folder, call it Social. And hit Save. So there it is. 4 classes. You could do it for all your classes there. Then inside of a folder, I'm going to take my Schoology course, and this is how you work this out. Kind of fun. This is my Schoology course I'm trying to go to. I'm going to grab this little lock button. I'm going to go inside of Courses. I'm going to go inside of Design and Modeling and drop it in there. So there's my Design and Modeling. Maybe I want SketchUp for Education. Because we're going to be using that a ton. SketchUp for Schools. I'm just going to go to my apps and grab it. And I'm going to drag that little lock button, Courses, Design and Modeling, and put it in there. And I can drag these around if I want to. So I put all my resources that I use. In your math, you'd probably put the link to the book, you'd probably put your IXL, all that stuff you'd put all in there. Then here's a quick little extra tip. I'm going to right click on this Design and Modeling folder, and I'm going to hit Open All To, or Open All To in a new window. Now, whenever I want to go to my class, I can just right click on it and it'll open everything all at once. So that's the tip about Bookmarks Bar and being efficient and setting stuff up.